What's up, guys? Special K here, and today I have another air horn, and I don't honestly remember the last time. Oh shoot, we're turning here? I guess we are turning here. I can't turn here. Come on, bro! Get up there! Alright guys, so we're here with Matt the Martian, Moto Nacho, and we're going in to get some chilies. Chili and chills. Chili and chill?
Netflix and chili. Something
like that. Shit. Hi, Rendon!
Hello! Hello!
Get off the phone!
What's good on, man? Long time no see, brother.
Oh, y'all both got Ram mounts.
I know. Hello?
So we're out here on the 2017 Z125. Hopefully we don't die right here.
Are you gonna tell them I'm here?
So this is a test ride with 2 people on it. We actually have Matt on the back.
Without me. I'm just gonna jump off, ready?
No.
What the heck?
Alright, so we got the 2 Z125s, a Honda Grom, 600, and the 300.
What is this?
I said the 600.
Is this a 600?
Well, a ZX6R if you want to be scientifically correct.
$599. It's the ZX599.
He said it's a ZX599R, so he's not even in the 600 club. Hey, Cade. I think that's Cade. His name's Cade. Yeah. A 2015 Grom versus a 2017 Z125. Did it break? Matt just broke his phone because was your pocket unzipped?
No, I pulled it out to this guy.
Uh-oh, they're about to race. This guy over here and then Nissan's about to race with him. Alright, here we go. Grom versus Z125. First one to the light. Uh-oh. Looks like the Grom was the first one to the white line, but the Z125 took off a lot faster. I think we're out of air. Wait, can Rendon even talk to us right now? Oh, we got 2. Shoot flames.
This thing is gas guzzler.
It says quiet pull. But it's not! No, quiet.
Did you just Snapchat? I don't know.
My got a body like Alba. What up, dog? I'm the alpha. So you better watch out, bruh. And that goes for anyone around us. Planted the money tree with my only seed, now it's sprouting. Never had had a to give, so I see no fucking point in counting. That's for my accountant, he's good at counting. Only thing that